Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday morning here in West Palm Beach, Florida, and we are at the 10th anniversary of Cars and Coffee. And it's kind of coming to an end. I got here a little late this morning, but as you can see, as I spin around, there's every kind of badass car you could imagine. Old cars, new cars, this old Ferrari back here. They got anything and everything. It started at about 8 and runs till 12, and it's about 11:15 now, so it's coming to an end. But check out this really cool vehicle right behind me here. Sinister. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Look at that thing, man. That thing looks awesome. So I kind of got here a little late, so we're just going to get as much video as we can. Everybody sort of leaves. They all head out to the main road, Palm Beach Lakes Boulevard. A ton of cops there because everyone likes to light it up at the end when they take off. And the cops know that, so they're kind of trying to keep that under control. But this is a cool event, 10th year that they've done it, and they do it every couple of months up here at the Outlet Mall in West Palm Beach. So you can see anything and everything up here, all sorts of cool cars. So let's go look around and check out some of these vehicles. Lots of beautiful muscle cars. Let's go see if we can find some of the exotics. I know we saw a couple on the other side over here. Now, check out this car. They got all sorts of cool street cars too. Check this out.
to diagrams. They record and replace surveillance subjects with the ability to freeze frame, zoom, and issue hard copies. In conjunction with my scanner, I can display vital signs. Heading other engines, I use my microwave ignition sensor. Kit, and I star with Michael Knight on the television series Knight Rider. Be sure to watch me perform some of the most remarkable stunts imaginable. I can't answer any of your individual questions because I am programmed only to give out information about myself just now. Some criminals and villains get a little hot under the collar when I activate my flamethrower. Michael Knight and I are dedicated in our pursuit of justice. Hello, I'm the Knight Industries 2000, more popularly known as KIT. Thank you for coming to see me at this sensational show. I wish I could answer your questions.
But they have all sections, like you got their supercars over here. Matter of fact, check out this lineup that we got going on right here. These cars coming by. So, beautiful Porsche. We got ourselves got a Camaro back here, and just the line of cars just keeps going, man. A lot of money. GT on the back. Event, they do it every couple months. You just got to check it out. It's called Cars and Coffee, and you know, like, see, everyone's leaving. I should have gotten up earlier, but I had a contract to write today. I'm a realtor, and you know, I didn't get up here until it was over. It started at 8, and I knew that was going to happen. But there's cool cars everywhere you look around. So racing over here, and just like millions of dollars in awesome cars. Look at this Beamer. And they have old cars, new cars, Jeeps, trucks, all sorts of stuff tricked out. And here's all the Porsche. That'll get you around. Probably not fast, but it's cool looking. So we're gonna walk up, kind of go up the sidewalk, because you'll see a lot of cars leaving, and at this point, that's where a lot of the cars are gonna be. And maybe we'll get up to the avenue. It's kind of a long walk from here, and the cops are patrolling it, but people still get on it a little bit, but not as much. They don't want to have any accidents. So when I come here, I like seeing some of the funky vehicles.
Good for waiting out the line.
Yeah, man, I know. It's crazy. I always thought it'd be cool to have one of these old ones, man.
Nice.
And you got the little Dometic, so you got your little cooler. Nice.
Yeah, the stock one isn't very efficient.
I know, it's hot, huh, Barney? It is hot, buddy. You a car dog? Everybody wants them to do it. That's the whole reason everyone's out here filming and videoing. They want to see the cars lighted up. The cops don't want to see it. So you'll hear some people rev, but back in the old days, a couple times we'd come out here and you would see the guys just like literally just rip it going down here. So, and then obviously the police said, yeah, we're not going to allow that anymore. So, and you can see these patrol officers are like ready to just go after somebody. So, but it's kind of fun to watch though. And there was a bigger crowd when I got here. As I said, I got here late today. What's funny is when they get past the cops. And he's running for it. So you might be able to outrun the cop, but you can't outrun a radio. Oh man, there you go. A lot of them won't do it here. They'll wait till they get past the underpass, and then when they go on the highway, you just hear them gun it. They're all laughing now because there's only one police officer left. Two of them went after that Corvette. I guess they have to pick and choose who they're going to chase. Now you know that dude does some driving. He had a whole camera get up on his back window. All right, guys, so that's Cars and Coffee, the 10th anniversary. Sorry I got here late. I think you get the gist of it, though. Bunch of kick-ass cars, everything, trucks, sports cars, old cars, supercars. And the finale, everyone's standing over there. And that one dude, man, he took the chance and got up on it. He must have 5 cop cars after him. And I don't know if they caught him because the 2 went after him and then 3 other cars were going right after. So you can have a fast car, man. One thing you can never outrun is a radio. And if they got your license plate, you're SOL. So 2 seconds of glory. I don't know how much the penalty is, but I'm sure it's expensive. So, all right, well, if you like these kind of videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button, click the little bell so you can get notified whenever I make a new one. I like old muscle cars. And yeah, man, just keep watching me. I'm gonna keep trying to bring you stuff like this. I made a fun video last night, pretty cool video. It's gonna be coming out soon. And I got some more cool stuff coming up here for October. So appreciate you guys. Keep following and watching and sharing and all that good stuff. And I'll keep trying to bring you some cool stuff that happens here in the state of Florida. All right, guys, it's hot as hell. I need to go get myself something cool to drink and get in the AC. So we'll talk to you next time.